Set theory, example 5 and example 6. So example 5a asks us to consider the set containing Lincoln and Washington. What larger set might this be a subset of? And some students have said it's the set of all U.S. presidents. Okay, another answer that I have seen before, excuse me, is people would say maybe it was a set of streets in your town. It might be a subset of that set as well. And we have certainly seen streets named after presidents, so that could work too. So the question is the given set a proper subset of the larger set? We can say yes, because Lincoln is a member of the set of all U.S. presidents. Washington is a member of the set of all U.S. presidents. And Lincoln and Washington surely are not every single president that served as a U.S. president. So it's not a proper subset. Right, consider the set 2, 4, and 6. So what larger set might this be a subset of? The set of even numbers. Now I'm not going to say all, because the set of even numbers would be an infinite set. Is the given set a proper subset of this larger set? Yes, because we have not listed every single even number. Because again, it's an infinite set. Example 6. A. Consider the set D of cards in a standard 52 card deck. So we should really say all cards in a standard 52 card deck. Give one proper subset of this set using correct notation to show it's a proper subset. So proper remembers this notation. So I want to find a subset that is a proper subset of the deck of cards. So I can think of maybe the King of Hearts. That's one card. And the 2 of Clubs. That's certainly not every single card in a standard card deck, but that's just a subset of 2 of them. Okay, so example 6b says, consider the set C of the classes you're taking this semester. Give one subset of this set using correct notation to show it's a subset. So remember, this notation is for a subset. Okay, so maybe, well, you know that at least you're taking Math 110, or else you would not be watching this video. I can't think of why you would be. So if C is a set of all the classes that you're taking, then Math 110 would definitely be one of those.